Dear teacher, this is Christophe here at Motisse, and in this new video I would like to show you how you can use our platform to create assignments for your students and how students can complete them. So here I'm already logged in. I am a teacher at Motisse Creative Writing Workshop, that's my school, and I have clicked on Teach, and what you can see here with me are my classrooms. So for now, I only have one classroom. I teach English to Year 2 students, and they are in class 2A. So that's my classroom. I don't have any student enrolled yet, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. And let's assume I also teach English to students in Year 4, and they are in class 4B. So I'm going to create a new classroom. I'm going to give it a name. So English P4. And for now, I don't have students yet. If I want to invite students, it works like this. I can click on the button, invite students, or click here as well. There is a small icon. And this is going to give me a code. And I can share this code with my students, and that's how they will be able to join my classroom. So I'm going to select this code. I have just copied it, and I am going to bring another page for 30 seconds. And here I am logged as a student at Motisse Creative Writing Workshop. And as a student, I've clicked on Write. I can only write on assignments given by my teacher. I don't have any classroom yet, but I want to join the classroom that my teacher just created. He gave me the code. I've just entered the code, and I can now join the class. All right, now I can see that I am enrolled in English P4, and the teacher is Mr. Christopher Lee. Very good. Okay, I'll move back to the interface for the teacher, Mr. Christopher Lee. I'm going to refresh just the page, and I will see that now Magdalena, who is the student, has joined my classroom. So as more students will enter the code, the list on the right here will get longer. For now, I don't have assignments or activities yet. No activities found. I'm going to create one for my P4 students. So I have an untitled activity. I can give it a title. I can write my instructions to the students. So I have prepared instructions to save a bit of time, and I'm going to copy them. Here they are. Okay. So it's a 1 hour long activity taking place in the classroom. And I ask students to first think of a quick picture of a creature or a place or a magical object from their imagination. And then they have to make a short list and use Motisse to write a short fantastic story. And then try to use the clichés layer to revise the story, so that later, as the teacher, I can check this story. So I am going to write this playing with the clichés layer. Or simply maybe playing with cliché. And I can select the deadline for students to submit. Let's say it would be the 20th of May at nearly midnight. And after that deadline, student work cannot be modified anymore. And now I can make this activity visible to students. If I don't click on this button, students won't see it yet. So let's move back to the interface for my student. And if I click on English P4, I see now the assignment. I haven't started to work on it yet. I know that it logs on May the 20th. If I click on it, I can see the instructions given by the teacher, and I can start writing and using the interface and everything And here, if it's the first time, you will have a quick tour of Motisse, how it works. I can skip it. I know what I have to do. Now I can write. All right, let's say that I just start something, and you can see it's automatically saved each time I type something. I have started something. I'm not yet done, but it's ongoing. I move back to the teacher's interface. I'm going to refresh, and now I can see that Magdalena has started to work on something. Last time she edited was May 11, and I can click and get access to what she has done. I can actually modify her text. I have full control, but most likely I don't want to do that because it's her work. But I can do so if I would need to, or I can type some comments. But I can see what she has been doing. So that's it for a very short tour. Different classrooms. You can create your assignments and you can see your student submissions. Thanks for your attention and stay tuned for future videos.